Hi, this is Adam. Today I want to show you how to play the Phrygian Mode, and we're going to do it with with G major scale. So G Ione will be the root, and Phrygian is the third note of the first note of the Phrygian Mode starts on the third note of the G major scale. So in this case, the G major scale starts with G. Second note is A, and the third note is B. So in the Phrygian mode, the first note of the Phrygian mode is going to be B. We're going to play the G major scale, but instead of ending on G, we're going to end on B. So it sounds like this: B, C natural, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. So that's the Phrygian mode for the key of G. If you have any questions, links are in the details below, and I hope you like this kind of video. If you do, subscribe, and I'll do more of this kind of video.